How to schedule Instagram messages. Let's get started. First up, update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the message icon. Click on that. You're gonna find the list of the conversation. Now open the conversation where you wanna schedule the message. Now go ahead and type in the message you wanna send. After you are done typing the message, now you have to long press and hold on this send icon. With that, schedule message will pop up. Now select the date, time period, then click on send. And just with that, I have scheduled this message. This way you can easily schedule Instagram messages. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.